Page 126, Minuet. We're back to the minuet thing. Sort of like a waltz, sort of maybe a little. 3/8 time now, but it's still felt in 3. It's like 3/4, except we're counting eighth notes instead of quarter notes. So here it comes on, starts with a pickup beat on beat 3, so it's 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1. See, the 16th notes are ands now, because the 8th note gets a beat. So the 16th notes is 1, and 2, and 3, and. Yeah, it's a little easier to count. You have some staccatos, you got slurs, up. When you're separating, make sure you separate. Look at the last measure of the first line. It's here. So at the B flat, lift up before you play the F. So there's a little silence there. Now just a light finger staccato will do. And these can be short staccatos here. Not really short, just short. How short is short? Not really short. I don't know. It's like how loud is loud. It's just short, but not super short. In the left hand, you have the staccatos. You're going to use the wrist staccato. If it confuses you using a finger and a wrist at the same time, you have to use wrist on both. Now, look out on the fingering here. Look at the first line. You're starting at 1-3. For the B flat D, and then in the last two measures you have a 5-2 for the FC, and then we need the 2 on the C because we want to connect it. They're slurred from here going into the last measure of the first line, so we need that fingering to allow us. Same thing in the second line. And that's really about all I had to point out here on this minuet. It's pretty short and sweet. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. That's 2 eighth note. And we're going to play this. Our hand here, here. Okay. Ready and go. And 3 and 1 and 2 and 3